Jersey full cream milk versus Anchor full cream milk. Does it matter which brand to use if you are going to make flavored latte? Stick around until the end of this video clip and find out. Some basic facts about these two brands of milk. Both claim they are full cream milk, Jersey full cream milk and Anchor full cream milk. But Jersey is a UHT processed reconstituted milk. The ingredients are water, skimmed milk powder, milk fat, and stabilizers, whereas Anchor is made from fresh cow's milk. In terms of price, Jersey is cheaper than Anchor by about 30%. That's a big difference. In terms of sugar content, Jersey has more sugar content than Anchor. So those are the basic information that I think we should know when comparing both of these brands. Christiana is going to help me make the drinks and then we'll do the taste test. Welcome, Christiana.
Hello.
So today you're going to make a drink. It's going to be iced French vanilla latte and we're going to compare these two milk. So what you'll do is you'll make the drink using Jersey and I'm going to make the drink using Anchor.
Okay.
And we are going to use the same syrup, which is Monin French vanilla. The recipe is we're going to use the same amount of espresso. This is our cool down espresso and it's about 50 grams of espresso. We're going to use the same one. You use this glass, I use this glass. So you put first the coffee and then if you can see the scale there, so you want to go to, it's about 2 ounces, this is about 2, and then you fill up with 3 pumps of French vanilla.
Okay.
And then you fill it up to about 6 ounces with milk.
And 3 pumps, right?
Yep, 3 pumps.
Like full pumps?
Full pumps.
Oh, that's a lot.
We're not using any other sweetener here, so that's it.
That's a lot.
I'm doing the same. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps is just about 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons.
So 6
really a lot.
until 6, right?
So yeah, so we're going to bring it up to 6.
Oh.
I have to find where 6.
Oops.
Your eyes are sharper than mine, so I need to make it closer. 6, okay?
You're
Okay,
on
now.
6.5 though.
This is 6.5.
You're on 6.
No.
You're on 6.5.
Don't do that. Okay, add a little bit there.
Okay.
Add a little bit so
Okay,
it'll
this
be the
is
same. Yeah.
what we're only comparing the milk anyway, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
for
Let
consistency's
lift
sake.
it up.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's bring it up to 6.5, but now
Bit of
you're
a
making
mess.
a mess. There's a cloth there. Yeah. Now you can wipe the table and
Yes.
do a proper job.
Keep your surface, work surface clean.
We have our ice here. Now, let's just stir. This is the easiest way to make your iced latte or French vanilla latte in this case. So just mix everything before you pour it into your glass of ice. Do you notice anything different between the two at this point?
No, I think it looks pretty much identical.
It's identical, but we did notice something that the milk was a bit lumpy, right? So maybe the best thing is that you shake your milk before you use it, right?
I think it does. Does it say? Sometimes it says like shake before
use. Yeah.
It doesn't say, but it was this one that was a little bit bitty.
Now we are going to stir it again just to make sure it's cold and it's properly combined with the ice. So you have the Jersey, I have Anchor. Now, time for the test. Taste test.
It is nice. It's very sweet though. It's too sweet for my personal liking, but I noticed that it is quite smooth in terms of texture and the flavor. It doesn't taste like carton milk. It tastes quite like fresh milk, I would say, for this one. I don't really trust carton milk for some reason.
Yeah, they're not...
Because it lasts a long time. I know
like UHT,
some people... Yeah, it's like... but it's processed. I don't know. I mean, but I still drink it from time to time.
That's now Anchor, and this is Jersey.
Oh, did you take my straw? Oh, no, okay.
Oh,
that's your straw, this straw.
Yeah, this is your straw.
The sweetness comes out a lot more in this one. I think you can barely taste the fact that it's milk in there. It's a lot lighter. This one's a lot heavier. Not super thick, but very creamy. I would say that if I had to pick one, I would definitely go for this one. It gives the vibe of like, you know, if you go milk tea, if you go for fresh milk versus not carnation.
Evaporated.
Yeah, evaporated. Evaporated has that nicer texture. It's thicker. It's a little more satisfying than fresh milk. I just think that this one's stronger. You can taste everything more in this one. You can taste the coffee more. You can taste the milk more, except for the sweetness, which is what I like. I like less sweet.
So you think this is sweeter,
one,
right?
Yeah, this one is lighter texture. It just, the sweetness is really punchy with not anything to balance it. So I still prefer this one. So if you want something that's like, you know, it's a really hot day and you really want an iced coffee, a really refreshing iced coffee, I would go with this one. But if it's not, if you just want a really casual, not mind-blowing, but still pleasant coffee, then I would go for this one. Another way to look at it is if you wanted, this is very mass market. Is that reflected in price? Is this cheaper?
Yes, this is 30%
So this
cheaper
tastes
than
like
this one.
mass market coffee. I like it on a really hot, I would like it on a really hot day, but if you're sort of a more refined coffee shop, then maybe this one will be your choice, because it does taste a little bit more expensive and a little less in your face.
Okay.
But this is an impactful coffee, whereas this is just like a just an iced coffee drink. Is this the first time we've done with coffee?
No, the last time we did
It
was
was hot?
plain. It was iced. It was plain without any flavor. It's just milk and coffee. This time,
Oh, with syrup.
yeah. Now we are establishing whether the syrup drowns out that unpleasant taste in milk, or
I think it does.
Really matter.
You
Yeah.
can't taste the milk. It just the milk then just becomes the texture, which is why my emphasis was on the texture.
Yeah.
And I think that actually, if you're gonna have the syrup, then you kind of want to go for a more impactful one, because when the ice starts to melt, this is gonna taste like water. This has to be drunken quickly.
Right.
Yeah.
I will just probably conclude that Christiana likes this one better, although this did not fare well when it was just latte, plain latte. But with the syrup, it kind of like, the texture is creamier, so the milk is creamier than Anchor. Jersey is creamier than Anchor. And the syrup has kind of like balanced that creaminess with the coffee. And whereas Anchor gives you that smooth taste, but the texture of the milk is lighter. So it doesn't give you that creamy texture that you're probably looking for when you are having iced coffee, which is a dessert. The conclusion is you can cut costs. You don't have to worry about which milk to use if you are anyway making only flavored lattes. So if you're making caramel macchiato, vanilla latte, mocha, the choice of milk does not really matter. So you can cut your costs. Jersey would go well with flavored syrup.
That's it for our Anchor versus Jersey milk review. If you guys want us to review any other types of milk to get our opinions on it, then comment below. We'll be happy to do so. I'll be happy to do so. If you find any other different conclusion in your test, let us know as well. We'd love to hear from you. And in the meantime,
very well. In the meantime, click that subscribe button and we'll see you again next time. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
ciao for now.
You did it.